Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has identified TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.98. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of -44.03%. This results in an average loss of -1.13% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $48 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal the beginning of a trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately -49.43% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -62.47% to -46.26%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 9.34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -5.27% and 132.43% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $42.78 and $104.98. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQQ ETF upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The TQQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of approximately 0.276% on the last day, Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, falling from $45.29 to $45.17. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 4.37%, with a day low of $44.35 and a day high of $46.29. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of around 10.21% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with ETF movements. On the last day, trading volume declined by 32 million shares, with a total of 100 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.51 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $93.79, while a lowest price was $35. Currently, the price stands 51.84%, or $48.63, below the 52-week high, and 72.26%, or $117.63, below the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $162.79. In recent discussions surrounding TQQQ, noteworthy trends in exchange-traded fund flows amidst market turmoil have emerged. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF has become increasingly attractive for long-term investors, especially as its value has dropped significantly due to recent market fluctuations. This decline is perceived as an entry point, particularly as TQQQ is heavily weighted towards major technology firms, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, including giants like Microsoft and Nvidia. As AI-driven technology continues to forecast growth, especially following reports of substantial gains from companies like TSMC, TQQQ positions itself as a pivotal player in this space. Analysts suggest that if United States equity ETFs, including TQQQ, maintain strong inflows, we could be nearing the end of the current market correction, potentially leading to a rebound. However, it's important to balance this optimism with caution. TQQQ's leveraged nature means high potential rewards, but it also comes with significant risks, including the possibility of negative compounding. Recent evaluations highlight that while there is upside potential if the market stabilizes, TQQQ's performance could also be impacted by the prevailing volatility. In the short term, any positive movement in technology stocks could drive TQQQ's value upward. Conversely, if market corrections persist, the ETF's leverage structure may lead to sharper declines. For long-term investors, understanding these dynamics will be crucial as they navigate the balance between opportunity and risk in this highly volatile environment. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The TQQQ exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $48.17 and $57.99. A breakout above either of these levels would issue buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and thus far, the price has declined by 14.15%. Further decreases are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $41.25 and $41.09. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may then decline to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just beneath today's level at $41.25. Should this level break, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $41.09 and $38.90. This ETF can experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.94 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.37%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 7.59%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $46.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $41.25. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the TQQQ ETF a good buy? The TQQQ holds several negative signals and is currently within a wide and declining trend. Consequently, we believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have adjusted our evaluation of this ETF, updating it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we anticipate that TQQQ will open higher by approximately 103 thousandths of a dollar. and begin trading at $45.27. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to any purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Here's our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at StockInvest.